Hi there, welcome to this tutorial for the ukulele play-alongs to the Doctor Who song Dugga Doo, which was part of this season's 2025, the Interstellar Song Contest, and the song has sort of gone a little bit viral. So what we're going to do in this video is I'll teach you the chords you need to know, both on GCEA and DGBE ukulele, and then I'll talk about strumming. If you want to support the work on this channel, there are three things you can do. You can like this video, you can subscribe to this channel and its sister channel, so the Uke Play-alongs channel as well as the Uke Stuff channel. And you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at www.buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff. All right, let's begin with the chords you need for GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. You'll need the C chord, you'll need the G chord, you'll need the F chord, you'll need the G7 chord. Then you'll need a D chord because there's going to be a key change in the middle. And D is up to you how you want to play it. I'll give you some options. My main way of playing D is I put my first finger at the top of the third string second fret and my other two fingers around it, sort of like making a G7 shape instead of fingers in a row. But some people do that. Some people put fingers 1, 2, 3 in a row. Some people put fingers 2, 3, 4 in a row. Some people play it with two fingers, some play it with one finger, bending and leaving the first string open. Please just don't play it with your thumb like that because you have to do switching. So that's the D chord, then you'll have an A chord and an A7. And those are the chords you need to play Dugga Doo on GCEA soprano concert tenor ukulele. Now let's talk about baritone. All right, on baritone, you'll need a C chord, you'll need a G chord, then you'll need an F chord. Now, the F chord is not as hard as you think it is. Take your first finger across strings 1 and 2, right above the middle first fret. Pull against the fretboard. That'll give you most of your sound. So it's this pulling action. You're not pinching. You're going to pull and use leverage. You're holding your ukulele securely. Add your thumb for some support, and then two fingers. Then a G7, a D chord, an A chord, and then an A7. Now, in the same way that you barred that F chord earlier, you're going to bar across all four strings now above the middle second fret, pull against the fretboard, add your thumb for some support, and then your second finger is going to play the first string third fret. And those are the chords you need to play Dugga Doo on baritone DGB ukulele. Now let's talk about strumming. Now, as it comes to strumming, there is no one right answer here because there was no ukulele in the original version of the song. There are lots of people always asking what's the right strumming pattern, and the real answer there is never a right pattern ever. Even performers change up how they play from recording to performance to performance. Now, that said, there are 3 rules to strumming. The first one is play the right chord at the right time. The second one is keep a steady beat, keep a steady tempo, whether you're playing by yourself or with a recording. And third and finally, make sure that whatever you are strumming does match the music, because there are strums that don't fit, but oftentimes there's not one single strum that fits. So with that, I'm just going to give you one idea here of what to do, and it's going to be this. You're going to go. That's it. I think that's the main thing you want to do is just down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up in the tempo. So again, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, up, 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 down, up. I may be playing beats 1 and 3 stronger, almost naturally. So you can hear the emphasis in there, but really I think that's going to cross if you just play naturally anyway. Now, could there be some other answer that you hear? The answer is absolutely yes. And if you hear something else, please feel free to play it. You do not have to match perfectly, but if you don't have an idea what to do, that's what you can do is just simply down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. All right, so with those chords and with that strumming, that's all you need to do to be successful on Dugga Doo as heard on Doctor Who in the Interstellar Song Contest in the 2025 season of Doctor Who. Thanks so much for joining me for this video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more Uke stuff for you.